mata ko. Baka lipanan ng lakas ng hangin. Happy Pride! Okay guys, so I'm now here in Wall Street. So maglalakad-lakad na tayo. Ganda dito oh, wala akong kasama eh, so wala magpipicture sa akin. May video naman tayo guys, so okay lang yun. The Trump building. Okay. So wala tayong picture guys. Let's try to take some photos. And this is the New York Stock Exchange. Look, it's big. So guys, ito pala yung New York Stock Exchange. So heavily guarded siya, yung buong Stock Exchange area. Kasi ito yung Trinity Church. So far parang safe naman kasi pinapatong ko yung camera and bag ko kung saan-saan. Hindi naman siya nawawala at wala naman kumukuha. So generally safe siya para sa akin. Though extra ingat lang, yun nga. The famous Charging Bull guys, ang daming tao. This park is nice. Anong park to? Bowling Green. This is Bowling Green guys. Ang ganda ng fountain sa gitna. Here, I'll try Nathan's later, but here dito malapit sa Charging Bull is nakita ko to, mukhang masarap. So I'll have the chicken over rice. Natakam ako dun sa katabi ko sa Bowling Green na park. Parang sarap na kinakain niya. Okay guys, I ordered chili cheese dog from Nathan's, and then I'll have chicken over rice. Yan yung lunch ko. And we're eating here sa Bowling Green. Over there. Yan yung Charging Bull. Daming tao. So yun, kain tayo guys. We're now going to Soho guys. So nasa subway tayo ngayon papunta sa Soho. Dito na tayo sa Soho. So punta tayo doon. So napakaraming halal na food trucks dito. Change of plan guys. Kasi kikitain ko na sila March. So magdi-dinner na, early dinner, tapos punta na kami sa Broadway for Moulin Rouge. So manood kami ng musical. Kami tatlo ni tita, ng mami niya, saka si Marge. Ngayon, ito ako sa subway, waiting for train. Papuntang Pier 57. Pier 57 guys, Pier 57. Pakita mo tayo sa video. Ayan yung Little Island guys. So, there. There. Dito pa rin tayo guys sa Pier 57. Dito sa may Chelsea area. Ayan. Dito yung Little Island. Ayan yung Little People. That one is famous? So we're now going home. Dito pa rin tayo sa Belvedere Hotel. Yung pinanood namin na musical, Moulin Rouge, is sobrang ganda for me. I highly suggest watching that one. Ang ganda ng mga songs, puro bago yung choice of songs nila na parang nagpalit sila ng lineup ng songs. Ang ganda lahat ng songs. Ang galing ng cast. Ang ganda. So yun, so parang gusto ko pa manood ng isa pang musical which is yung Michael Jackson or Lion King or Aladdin. Kung ano yung may murang ticket. Paabalik na ako ng bahay. Galing ako dito sa kwarto nila Marge sa hotel. Sila ay magpa-flight na tomorrow morning. Kaya sinamahan ko sila. So yun lang guys. Good afternoon. So it's 12:13 in the afternoon. I'm waiting for the ferry shuttle. I'm going to the city again, to downtown.
Next stop, Rockaway Beach Boulevard and Beach 118th Street.
So the ferry just arrived. Again, we're going to Wall Street. My itinerary would start at the Staten Island Ferry, so I'll see the Statue of Liberty and then the Battery Park, and then the rest I don't know what else after that one. But first, let's finish that and I'll keep you updated, guys. So we just arrived here in Wall Street, guys, in Pier 11. So now I'm walking towards the station for the Staten Island Ferry for the Statue of Liberty. So that's our first stop. Siguro babalik ako sa New York in the future pag winter. So para matry ko yung may snow. So yun, excited na ako, guys. Today we'll squeeze in as much as we can para sulit. And then tomorrow and the other days gagala kami kasama yung cousin ko, si Alu, and maybe si Ate Maan, kasi nga day off sila. Rest day nila. Gusto ko rin maka-experience ng helicopter ride. Parang pangarap ko rin siya. One of the bucket list ko rin yan. Mahal eh. Look, ang ganda ng structure, guys. This is apparently the Governor's Island Ferry. Staten Island Ferry. Ito kasi is for Governor's Island. Siguro, kaya sa Governor's Island, for political people siya, mga mayayaman, mga may connection. Siguro lang naman, feeling ko lang, no? Kasi yung name niya Governor's Island. So now we're going inside the free ferry for the Staten Island to see the Statue of Liberty. So we're going up para mas maganda yung view natin. Kaya tayo, nagtatakbuhan sila. Hanap tayo ng magandang view.
Thank you for riding the Staten Island Ferry.
So, ayan guys. Ayun yung isang ferry pabalik na. Balik na sila. Grabe yung daming tao dun sa harap. Kasi nga free ferry to. Hindi na ako nag-avail ng tour. Originally dapat mag-avail ako nung Staten Island Ferry and Ellis Island tour. Pero sabi ko, sayang lang yung dollars ko. So hindi na ako nag-avail. Dito na lang ako, free ferry. Kita ko naman na yung Statue of Liberty. Malapit lang siya talaga. Ang dami lang talagang tao. May mga videos ako. Malapit lang siya. Kasi talagang halos katabi lang siya ng ferry. Pero yun, so dito muna tayo. Sa personal. Guys, bababa na tayo. Kakain tayo. Ikot tayo ng Battery Park. And then next itinerary, we'll go Chelsea, Pier 57, and Highline. And then the top of the rock. Ayan. So, try natin mag-Wendy's. Order lang ako ng burger sa Wendy's, Frosty and Coke and fries. So, yan lang. So, kain tayo dito sa may labas ng ferry. And then magpo-fruits na lang ako sa baba yung may tajin powder. So gusto ko matry yun eh. Nawawala yung mga nagtitinda ng prutas. Hindi ko makita. 3 o'clock na. 5 o'clock yung appointment natin sa top of the rock. Ayun sa kabila may mga fruits. So ngayon naglalakad na tayo guys papunta sa Rockefeller Center. Lakad na tayo ng mga 5 minutes. I think ayun na yung top of the rock. Yun! So we're here. Observation deck is here. So top of the rock. So CR muna tayo, guys.
Welcome to the Top of the Rock Theater. And elevators will soon take you to Top of the Rock and an unforgettable view of the most exciting city in the world. Movie stars, famous comedians, and a world-class symphony orchestra. Rockefeller Center has always been a place of inspiration and celebration.
This is uptown, and the other side is downtown. Let's go to downtown, guys. Hello. I'm on the 69th floor, I guess. Ang tataas ng mga buildings nila sa New York, mga skyscrapers nila stand up. And this at my back is the Empire State of Mind. Empire State of Mind. Kanta yun, guys. Empire State Building. So ayan sa likod ko. So sana magpa-picture, pero wala magpa-picture sa akin. Takot ako, baka lipanan, lakas ng hangin. So guys, it's a 360-degree view of New York. So yan. We're going down. Mag-ikot tayo sa area. Marami tayong makikita. Sobrang tayo malapit dito. So puntahan na natin isa-isa yun. So I'm here at the famous rink. During winter, this is a ice skating rink because of snow. So ngayon, summer siya. Ang daming tao, guys. Look. And Pride is everywhere. Happy Pride. So here, guys. Pawis na tayo, guys. Pawis. Lapot. I think this is St. Patrick's Cathedral, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is 5th Avenue, guys. We'll go take a walk along 5th Avenue, guys. Maybe go to Grand Central or MoMA or whatsoever interesting we can find here. This is Vanderbilt. This is Madison. That is Grand Central. Lakad lang tayo ng lakad. Wala pa rin tayo nakikitang coffee shop. Oh, may Starbucks tayo. So I'm at the Grand Central Terminal, guys. Here at Woodbury Premium Outlet, guys. So yung mga pasabayers dyan, labas! Hindi ako masyadong mag-video, guys. Siguro pakita ko lang sa inyo ng brief yung loob. And then, it's the same as the one in Paris. Mga houses din siya. Bahay-bahay din siya. Bumili lang ako ng ilang shirts ko and underwear. And bumili ako ng sunglasses. It's Meta sunglasses. So bumili ako ng Meta sunglass. Saka natin i-unbox. Pero ito siya. It's the Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses. Before going home, we're going to get coffee and pretzels. Hi, ate! Hi, ate Elise! Look. Look, 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 look. Dami. So we're going home. Anong oras na?
Going home.
7:30. Extensionist. We're finally home, guys. I-unbox ko itong binili kong Wayfarer Ray-Ban Meta. Wow. Nice. This is the case with the charging port. So yan. May ilaw siya pag inopen mo. Yan. So ito siya, guys. This is the camera. You can do video calling, listen to music, do AI stuffs, and other things. So yan. Ayun lang. Sinare ko lang yung pag-open ng box, guys. Bye-bye. Good night.